mamas, welcome back to another weekly vlog. For those that are new, hey girl, hey boy, do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. So girl, let's get right into this vlog. Today is Saturday, November the 6th. So yeah, as y'all can tell, I'm already dressed. Let me show y'all what I'm wearing. I feel like I never do outfit of the days because my room be looking a mess, but today my room is clean, so let me do a little outfit of the day. So yeah, basically I'm just keeping it real cozy, real simple because it is cold outside. Okay, I think the highest today is going to be like 55 or something, so that's not too bad. So I just have on like this little sweatshirt hoodie that I got from H&M, and then I have on these, I don't know what color you would call this, maybe like a taupe color jogger. So yeah, that's how those look. And then I'm just wearing my my dunks, the blue and black. I think these are called the cold belt dunks. Yeah, I think that's what they're called though. But these are like my go-to shoes, y'all. Like, I just love them. So yeah girl, and then I'm just having my hair pulled up, half down. So yeah girl, I don't know what today is going to take us because me and my mom, girl, that's who I'll be hanging out with on the weekend. So me and her are going, I think she wants to go to this little store that she likes. And then I don't know what else we're doing because girl, I'm expecting a package today, 2 packages. One are these Jordans that just came out last weekend. They're the pine green. I think they're their 5s, the Jordan 5s, pine green. This one's be coming today, so hopefully they'll come before I leave so that I can wear them with this fit because I want to take some pics for Instagram. I have not taken any pics for Instagram in a little minute, but don't forget to follow me on there, y'all. It's always linked down below, so you can just click the link and it'll bring you right to my page. So make sure to follow your girl on there because I'm trying to post more. So yeah, that's the plan. Hopefully my shoes come. And then I also ordered some stuff from H&M. It's supposed to be coming today. I'm thinking about doing a little haul, a little H&M haul, because I did get some stuff, like the stuff I have on, I got from H&M. So even though y'all are seeing it, I think I'm still going to do a little haul. So yeah, that is the plan. Hopefully my stuff comes before I leave, and I'm about to leave in a second, so hopefully it'll come. But yeah girl, so this is the vibe for today. Yesterday I went grocery shopping. I'm about to pick out a perfume right quick. Y'all, I have literally been wearing this perfume in every vlog. You already know what it is. Ebony Woods, okay? This is becoming like my go-to favorite, y'all. It just smells so good to me. It smells so good to me. Period. Okay. So yeah, y'all, I'm about to get ready to go. I'm kind of thinking about stopping at Starbucks. I don't know. Like, should I go to Starbucks? I don't know. But yeah, so I'm going to see y'all a little later because I'm about to go ahead and head it on out. Hey y'all, what's poppin'? So I just got back home, y'all, from being out today. So I forgot my house is a mess. Like, what the heck? Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all what I got from the grocery store. I had went to Ulta, y'all. I haven't been to Ulta in so long because I have like a little coupon, $10 off coupon. But girl, why did I forget the coupon at home? So I didn't even get nothing. But my package finally came from H&M, so we about to open her up. All I got was like 2 items, y'all, but hopefully it looks cute. Where are my scissors? Where am I? Here it is. Oh, child. These bags be dirty, y'all. I don't understand why they be dirty like that. But yeah, I had a good day today, y'all. Didn't really do that much, but I had a good little day. I was gonna buy, like, I was gonna go to Sephora, but the stuff that I kind of went on Sephora, they don't have it in the store. So I'm just got the order online. Because I kind of want to do a Sephora Vib haul. Let me know if y'all are interested. I posted on my little community tab, and yeah, so just let me know if y'all are interested in seeing that video. So I got 2 items, y'all. So I got how much was it all together? I think all together it was like $50 something. So yeah, I'm gonna do like a so I'm gonna do like a little haul, because I kind of want to do like a collective haul of stuff that I have gotten within the past couple of weeks. So yeah, the first thing is this bag. This bag is so cute, y'all. It's giving me like very much like, I just love bags that are shaped like this. Like, it's just a vibe. So let me open it up. This is called the small shoulder bag. Y'all, this is so cute to me. Like, this is so cute. So it's brown and cream, and then it just has this little chain right here. This chain is so cute, y'all. And it has the brown, the handle of it is brown. It looks just like this. This is so cute. Girl, this is so cute. So yeah, this is giving me very much like Fendi vibes, but it's not really Fendi. But we gonna act like it is. Okay, this is so cute. So this was, yeah, I'm gonna try to find the prices for y'all because I want y'all to know, in case you want to cop, how much it was. H&M really be having some cute stuff. Like, I stopped shopping at H&M a little minute ago, but I just recently started shopping back, and they got some cute stuff. So this bag was $17.99. Y'all, this bag is super cute. This would have looked cute today with my outfit, because I have like the creams, and it just looks so cute. I can't wait to wear this, honey. This is so cute. So yeah, make sure to follow me on Instagram, because I'm about to start posting more. And then I also got these pair of jeans. I don't know if these are going to fit. Hopefully they won't be too long, because I'm short. Okay, I'm like 4'11", so a lot of stuff don't be working out. That's why I be having to try stuff on. But these jeans, hopefully, oh my god. Girl, these look real, oh no. These are super long, y'all. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm probably going to have to return these. These look super long. So these are how these look. They have like the little drawstrings on the side, which I think is so cute. I feel like this is like a statement piece, because this right here just really brings everything together. And then you have like the drawstrings at the end where you can tighten it or loosen it, which I really like. But these look very, very long, y'all. Like, they're going to be definitely dragging the floor. Those jeans are called the flared twill pants with lacing, and these were $34.99. These are so cute. Okay, I'm about to go try these on real quick, and I'm going to show y'all. Alright, y'all, so my lighting in my bedroom really sucks, but girl, these are so long. Like, what? And that's so annoying, because they're so cute. Like, these are so cute to me. So yeah, I guess these are going back, so I guess I'll be going to H&M tomorrow to return these. Alright, y'all, so I got me some stuff from Aldi. Let me show y'all what I got from Aldi. I didn't get that much stuff, y'all, because I literally just went grocery shopping yesterday. But I'm craving like some chocolate stuff, so I got me some brownies, y'all. Like, girl. So I got these brownies right here, the Betty Crocker, the one with the walnuts in them. I love brownies that have walnuts in them. If they don't have the nuts in them, I can't eat them. So we're making this tonight. And then that is all I got from Aldi, because the rest of the stuff I got is not really like something that I'm pretty sure y'all don't care about. But I also got me some hot chocolate for the holidays. Yeah, I haven't had hot chocolate in so long. So this is the Starbucks kind. This is double chocolate hot chocolate, and it's gonna be good. So yeah, this is basically how I'm ending my night, y'all. I'll probably have this hot chocolate another time, but tonight I'm gonna have these brownies. So I'm about to make these, girl. So yeah, we're gonna make some brownies. I'm about to watch Housewives of Potomac. Do y'all watch Housewives of Potomac? Because that show is like really good to me. Like, it's really good to me. It's honestly low-key better than Housewives of Atlanta. And being that Housewives of Atlanta, nobody's returning back, I don't know how that's gonna be. And I haven't watched Housewives of Atlanta in so long, y'all. So yeah, so I'm on season 6, the newest season of the Potomac. I think that season just ended, so I'm just like kind of late catching up. But yeah, girl, we're about to make our brownies, and then I think that's all that I'm doing tonight. Just gonna make brownies and watch Housewives of Potomac, because I have nothing else to do. So yeah, I really wanted to take a picture today, but girl, my shoes didn't come. I was really wanting to take a picture of my shoes, but they did not come. So That's like super annoying. So yeah, y'all, let me know what videos I would like to see from me. Like, if you're actually subscribed to my channel and you be watching my videos, what would y'all like to see? Because I feel like I'm not really consistent right now because I don't really know what to post. Like, I love doing vlogs, but realistically, I can't get like more footage within the week because I work during the week, and I know y'all don't want to see that. Like, that's boring. So let me know what other videos y'all like to see other than like vlogs, because girl, I want to be consistent and I just don't know what to post. Like, I don't know. So yeah, but I'm gonna see y'all probably tomorrow because I'm about to go ahead and make these brownies like I said and just chill out for the night.
Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling, none of that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it.
Hey girl, so it's the next day. So y'all, it is like pretty late in the day. I haven't been doing basically anything. So yeah, y'all, I was gonna end off the vlog, but I decided to come back on because I kind of want to organize my pantry. Y'all, it's a hot mess. Let me show y'all. I feel like it always gets unorganized. Like, I don't understand. So this is how my pantry is looking right now. Stuff is just everywhere. It doesn't make sense. Like, I just don't get it. So yeah, girl, I kind of want to organize this pantry, so that's what I'm about to do. And then I kind of want to buy some like new containers, like, or maybe some more containers. I don't know. We're gonna get her organized. So yeah, that's the plans for right now. I don't really have any plans. Those brownies last night was so good. So yeah, girl, those brownies were banging. Okay, so I'm about to go ahead. So I'm about to go ahead and organize my little pantry, get a little organization going on because I haven't been doing nothing today. I've been so lazy. So yeah, girl, just watch me do what it do.
Straight up. Look, remember all the nights you used to fall, wondering why you don't fall. Late nights I used to call you, wondering why I don't call you. And it's deja vu, 'cause I've been here with you. I swear it's all deja vu, 'cause we've been here, we done this, who run this, who run this. I know you've been working way too hard and hardly get to play. Fell off in the sheets, it felt like we ain't even sip a day. Whoa, it's been 3 years, I can't believe that shit is crazy. Where does the time go? You just had a baby, you had a new man and y'all just separated. You back on the scene and you already faded. No shame in that, girl, you need to escape it. I'm trying to recycle the time you wasted.
Alright, y'all, so I just got finished organizing my little pantry, and I must say it looks way better. So yeah, let me show y'all. So this is how we're looking. So everything is organized. So we have this shelf up here. We have some pancake mix. We have some hot cocoa, rice, my teas, my vitamin C, brown sugar from my oatmeal. And then this little section is just like little condiments, like peanut butter. I got some tuna. I got some black beans, oils. Y'all get the vibes. And these is just like all my pan sprays, my avocado oil spray. And then I just have like these little crackers sitting right here. Girl, don't ask why. I wasn't really sure where to put those, but that's where it's going for now. And then I just have like some dried cranberries, almonds, pistachios, vegetable oil, vinegar. Girl, I love eating me some cucumbers with vinegar in it and salt and pepper. That is like my little favorite snack. So yeah, down here is just like a little snacks. As y'all see, I don't really have that many snacks. I've been trying not to snack that much, y'all. So I just choose not to like buy any snacks. So yeah, I don't have that many snacks down here. I'm going to have my little teas over here as well. And yeah, girl, this is the vibe. So this is how it's looking. So yeah, y'all, I think I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog off right here. I'm going to go ahead and start a new vlog tomorrow. It it should be a good week. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video. Peace.